ababukeli emakhaya, igama lami Bheka Inkosi Sandile Vilakazi, usihlalo we-KZN Boxing Federation osanda kunominathwa njenge-2080 zikaMarch. Sandile Vilakazi uzalwa eKitoridge endaweni yaseNtshanga. Uqale khona iboxing kwi-amateur level at the age of 10 years. Wakhula njalo njalo wadlala kuma-amateur. Bengikhona na kwi-soccer futhi as well. Then-ke mangishiya-ke ngithe sengino 21 years to 22 years bese neboxer esikhulu esijima nalo uSanele Msimangi. So wayenenkinga kakhulu ungathola ama-fight. So ngangimthembisile vele sisebancane ukuthi no ngiyomsiza ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe ngusomabhizinisi sayiphuphele ejimini. So ngenhlanhla lophupho-ke lafezeka ngayimanager yakhe. Ngoba esecanga usiyeke isibhakela ngathi no yazini bafu ngizoba imanager yakho ngikulekelele. So ngahamba ngayegoli ngahlangana noManny Fernandez wangifundisa about boxing kancane and then ngabuya ngamanager uSanele Msimangi. Emva kwalokho ngathatha isinqumo sokuthi no yazini angivele ngibe yipromoter because nginayo potential and ngigood nasemabhizinisini good nasenginegotiating. So ngathatha idecision-ke ukuthi ngigcine ngiyipromoter ngo-2020. Yes, sinama-box impela sike sawapromoter. For instance nje uPhikelelani Khumalo mina ngamnika opportunity sathola ibhande lakhe lokuqala. Emva kwalokho-ke kazange sabheka emumva wagcina esehambile sene-ABU ene-SA title. Kodwa yimi iSiyathaba Boxing Promotion yamnika i-opportunity aloko okuqala eKZN because ubegxile kakhulu egoli ngaphinde samnika i-opportunity awina ibhande lakhe lokuqala kwakuyi-provincial title yayikhona la eGreyville Convention Center. Ngenhlanhla nje ukuba promoter kungenze ngabona ukuthi iziphi izinto esizidingayo ngoba sikhumbula ukuthi ngeke ngabe usihlalo we-Promoters Association. So la ngibona khona inkinga ezikhona eziningi kusibhakela. So ngithe sengithola opportunity ukuthi ngibosihlalo vele ngifika ngiyazazi inkinga ngiready. Ngine team vele strong nalapha ku federation abantu abaqoka ukuthi ngisebenzisane nabo. Babukhali kakhulu onhlakanipho Gumede bazi ukuthi uma-organization they very good. So bang-assista kakhulu obabuzondo sebekuyi-boxing for over 30 years. So i-experience yabo iyona ezongilekelela kakhulu. Yes khona ingqinamba zikhona njenge-funding. Okwamanje sisalekelelwa u-Department of Sports and Arts and Culture. Ngaphandle kwawo ngabe i-boxing ayikho siswami. Mangikhuluma iqiniso nje. So ngathi mangaqhubeka nje basiseke njalo while thina sisazama ukusondeza ama-corporate la kulomdlalo wethu. Kubaluleke kakhulu la kujima khona ama-box kube sezingeni eliphezulu because uthola ama-box eshiya isifundazwe eyakwezinye izifundazwe ejuso ukuthi kuyaleka indawo zokujima into zokujima izinsiza. So-ke sathatha i-resolution-ke yokuthi-ke sizohambela wonke ama-gym kuma-district awu-3. So ya eLembe siye la eThekwini already sesizile sanotha down izinto ezidingakalayo la sikhona manje sihambe siye eMzinyathi siye King Cetshwayo. So in that case-ke sizama ukuthi ama-boxer awangaze ashiye isifundazwe ngoba izinsiza zokujima zingekho. Kumanje nje kade ngisemasosheni eWema kunebantwana uThema Zuma iformer SA champion bajimela eminyango. So abanayo ijim ebejimela emahholo kufika imingcwabi bakhiphe ama-comrade ayafika. So ngaye Wema-ke ngaxoxisana namasosha khona ukuthi-ke i-team yaseLamuntu edlala i-boxing i-Othema bakwazi ukuthi bathole indawo yokujima. So ngisekuyona-ke leyo process because njengoba ngingenile it's not just a position kumina but it's my passion. Engakusho nje kubazali i-boxing iyasiza kwi-discipline even nami yami ingane ikwi-boxing because kwi-discipline uthi ingane ikhule kahle ingaweli kuma-drugs nakubugebengu ngoba sazi ukuthi sikhungethwa ama-drugs nje kakhulu nje kwi-society yethu. So i-boxing iyakulekelela nje. For instance buka nje uPhikelelani Khumalo u-own ama-truck kodwa futhi udlala i-boxing kusomabhizinisi but i-boxing uyithatha very serious. Usiboniso Gonya une-qualification usebenze ehhotel uwuchef but still ukwi-boxing udiscipline ejimini uye emsebenzini. So ngasho ngithi i-boxing iyalekelela kakhulu. Ngingabagqugquzela ukuthi abazali bagqugquzele izingane zabo ukuthi zijoyine i-boxing because it's not just a sport, ingagcina i-career nakuwena. Uthabisa Mchunu nje unakho konke through i-boxing. Ngingabala oMoroti Mthalane they got everything through boxing. So boxing it can be a career as well, as much as ungayibuka njenge-sport. No, ama-plans ethu ajule kakhulu mahle. Number one into esifuna ukuyenza sifuna ukubuyisa ama-boxing awards. Because sinama-boxer amahle kakhulu aperformayo njengabo Prince, uNkosi Ngiphile Sibisi, uLindelani Sibisi, ama-boxer aperformayo la oPhikelelani Khumalo njalo njalo. So bayadinga ukuthi ba-recognize as champions. Because ngikhuluma nje uPrince noNkosi Ngiphile baphethe IBF International. So bayadinga ukuthi bagqugquzeleke, sambona be-encourageka nabengemumva kwabo bazokufisa lokho. So ke ama-KZN Sports Awards iwona nje esiwabheke kakhulu ukuthi sizama ukuthi silokhu nje ama-box ethu. Then okunye sifuna ukwenza ama-workshop, ama-boxer abafunde ku-drug free sports. Fanele bazi ukuthi yini ongafanele uyiphuze, yini ofanele uyiphuze. Because ungathi mase utest umchamo wakho ukuthola ukuthi kune-substance mhlawumbe wayiphuza hayi ungazi. So fanele ama-boxer afundiseke ngalezo zinto babe exposed to that. Because ungaphuza umuthi omkhuhlane uthi uyatesta mhlawumbe ulwele i-SA kuthiwa ngine-drug oyiphuzile kubeni awuzange uphuze mhlawumbe uziphathele umkhuhlane. I-training yama-officials, boxing official, it's very important ukuthi atrainwe because since singenawo ama-tournament amaningi ngasho ngathi baba a little bit rusty due to that. But bagcine beblemeke njengonompempe ebholeni kanti cha ngoba vele asinawo ama-tournament eduze ukuthi bahlale besebenza. So ama-training-ke nje ukuthi bakhumbuzeke ngemithetho ye-boxing ne-judging nayo yonke indlela. So ama-clinics anjalo abaluleke kakhulu. So ilokho nje sikufisayo, si-train nama-managers, promoters, because ama-promoters nawo fanele aqeqesheke ukuthi-ke i-sponsor usecurisha kanjani, how do you market the fight, because iyona into eletho leyo ilento le ama-sponsorships in our game. No, sinama-legend impela, Tsep Makathini, Sugar Boy Malinga. Sugar Boy siyazi ukuthi i-first WBC champion e-South Africa, ubaba Sugar Boy Malinga nabo Tsep Makathini. So siyadinga ukubasondeza abantu abakanjalo nabo Moruti Mthalane. Njengoba bese ngisho besineplan yokuthi sibe nama-ambassadors azosilekelela kulo mdlalo wethu. Avela-ke amagama abo-ko oMoruti Mthalane, obaba Sugar Boy-ke sebethe ukukhula kodwa sesingaba-invite amasenza ama-workshop just to encourage ama-boxer, encourage trainers, managers njalo njalo bafake loyo mlilo nje. No, ngithi ngibonga Umlando Production ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ube nathi namhlanje uthathe isikhathi sawo ukuthi uzokhuluma nathi as i-KZN Boxing Federation. Engikuthembisayo nje kubalandeli emakhaya ukuthi sibhakele KZN sizobuya and soba nawo ama-world champion. Ngibonga u-Department of Sports and Arts and Culture ngokuhlala unathi ungakhathali ithini. Siyabonga.